By the end of this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use the new image generation in ChatGPT 4.0 to boost your social media and create almost any type of image. First, of course, we have to access it. So, this is your main screen. You will click on these 3 dots right here, View Tools, and you will click on Create Image, and that's it. Of course, right now I cannot type because I've already used all my credits for today. I've been going bananas with this tool, but I'm going to show you the 3 things that I've done. And if you use your creativity, you will be able to create anything, y'all. Case number 1 is thumbnail recreation. Now, literally, they say steal like an artist. I literally just stole this for the example. This is Rob, the AI guy. I will leave his channel in the comments. He's very, very good. I follow him for years when it comes to social media, etc. But let's just say you don't have the money to hire a thumbnail artist who can go from $60 to $100 per thumbnail. Look at what you could do. So I took this one, created a thumbnail that looks exactly like this one. Please write in English. This is what it came with originally. I don't know why I cut the letters off, but it did decent. So then I say, hey, this should be in 16:9 YouTube format. So this is what it came up with. Now, one thing about it, since this is still new, you are going to have time limits. You're gonna have time limits. You can't just crank them out because everybody's trying to use it. So what I did, I clicked on it and I wanted this to be ChatGPT. So you have this up here where you can select, highlight it, and then type what you want to change. So I've already done that. So it made me wait 7 minutes. Try it now. And this is what I ended up getting. Cool. So now I wanted to put my face in it. And as you can see what it came up with. So replace it with this face and make sure the hand matches skin tone of the replacement, etc. This does not look bad if I wanted to take this. Now for the hassle of doing this and wasting credits, I could have just created it faster in Canva. But for people who don't have experience and know what they want and they just don't care about copying, period. This new update is game changer. Use case number 2 is image social media post image creation. Now, if you've been on social media for any period of time, you should know this page, the wealth page. They always have this specific type of font, great colors, etc. I wanted to recreate that, but I wanted to be creative, right? Still like an artist. And so what I did was recreate this image, and the writing should be, and I put in my own writing, etc. Y'all can see this. And this is the image that it came up with, right? So imagine if you wanted to take this style and you can add a unique twist to it. I could literally go into ChatGPT, erase that because this is my concept. I thought of this. Take some of these words out. Boom. I have a social media post that took me, I would say 30 seconds to create. So imagine how much you can do. Now, of course, I wanted to have fun with it. So I added a picture of myself and use the same color scheme above, etc. I don't think I didn't prompt it correctly. So I started over. And I added it to use a color scheme. Again, I just ran into some error, so I had to resubmit it. This outcome was completely terrible. It was awful. But imagine what you can do with it. Imagine the styles that you can create. And this did not do a bad job. Now, I will say, I think for stuff like this, Mid Journey is still top tier. And if I wanted to create something in a style, I can have a mood board. I can do all of that relatively quickly. But this Mid Journey is hot garbage when it comes to doing something like this. So I'm still giving the image generation 10 out of 10. And on to the last use case. Just social media post creation, period. So again, I am in the AI space. And so I seen this post by ChatGPT tips on Instagram. So I was like, hey, what if I wanted to make this look better? Right? Because I've seen this specific format of post all over Instagram, but everybody just takes it and adds their own little spin. So what if I wanted to add different colors? Recreate this image with a white supposed to say with a white background and neon gradient color lettering, and it did absolutely amazing. So with this new update, your creativity should be able to soar. So also, side note, what I tried to do is see if I could cheat and write a prompt to where it would create an infographic of different slides in one. All the gaming was the first one. So again, I'm going to be doing some testing, but the ChatGPT 4.0 image generation will literally change how you create social media content, and you should be able to create it faster. Again, so I'm not going to ramble on too long. If you want to see more content on social media tools, if you want to see more content or AI tools and news that you can use to monetize your social media, please don't forget to follow AI Unlock with Z, and I'll see y'all in the next video.